how to create a website for personal finance and money management. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can create your website using squarespace.com platform. So this is the main page of our platform. We can just click on get started and you will be able to browse through a wide range of templates, a pre-made templates, and also you have a template that is blank if you want to create your website from scratch. But for me, I rather pick one of the templates that already exist in the platform so that I can save some time to do other things, other important things like the marketing of the website. So here we can filter by the type of our website, if it's an online store, portfolio, scheduling, services, or if you want to filter by topic. So I'm going to go with services, and then I'm going to go with finance if I found one here, community, local business, weddings, media, home decor. So I can't find some finance thing in here, so I'm just going to scroll to see all the options I have in the website. So we have some chief strategy director in Portland, previously worked as team strategist. So this is a portfolio, and here we have some digital products and stuff like that. So let's see if we can find something about finance. So here it is, this one, get ready to take control of your finances. So this is a template that matches what we want. So I can just click on start with it, or just click on preview diagram, and diagram is the name of the template. That's if you want to see the template, you can click on view demo site to see the template in full width. And here it is, this is our template. This is how it looks. So it's very simple. So it's for scheduling a consultation. So I think this is a pretty good template. You can just go back and get started with this template. Start with this design, click on start with this design, and after things set up, they will request you to give a title for your design. You can close that if you want, but for me, I'm going to give it a title to separate between my websites, because you can create more than just one website in this platform. So if the website, I'm going to give it a name to avoid getting mixed between websites. So here, this is the title. So I'm going to give it a title, finance. I'm going to give it personal finance and money management, just to make sure I don't mix between my work. Personal finance and money management. So that's it guys. Then you click on continue and you close these ones, we don't need them. And then in our left we will see some sections, and I'm going to go through each one of those and explain them for you. So the first one is website, where we can add pages or change the ones that we already have, as you can see here, or delete one if we don't like it. And let's go back. The second one is Ecommerce, where we can adjust our orders, inventory, customers, set our payments gateways, or if you want more ways to sell, like memberships or custom merch and stuff like that. And the third one is marketing, which is pretty obvious if you want to set your pixels and your marketing ideas or marketing tools. And here we have the scheduling, which is pretty important in this niche. So here we can set our availability time and set our calendar for people to book meetings or appointments with us. So this is pretty important in our niche, and luckily for us this platform offers that also. So let's just wait for things to be set up. So you can just close this one, click on close, and here you can wait for it a little bit, and it will come back right now. Here it is. So as I was saying, here you can create your appointments types and set your availability and design your scheduling page, and then you can share your scheduling page right in here to promote it to start booking. So that was it for the scheduling section, and here we have the asset library. If you want to upload a picture or a video and keep it in your asset libraries, you can also create files or folders. And then we have the analytics, which is pretty obvious, where you have your charts and your orders, your traffic, geography, and your conversion rate, your revenue. And here you have your profiles, the profiles of your clients, and we have the settings where you can set your domains, change the availability of your site, make it from private to public, permissions, change the site languages, and your regional settings, and a lot more. And here we have the store payments. If you want to set your payment processors like your Stripe account, your PayPal, your Square account if you're from the United States. And lastly, let's see how we can adjust this template or this design. You click on edit and it will make this page full width, where you can see and edit your template. It will show right now the drag and drop option, where you can adjust your sections and your blocks, change the typings. Here you go, this is the sections. You can edit this section, add a new section, change the text, change or add blocks. You can edit section from here, move it down or remove it or duplicate it, and from this one you can change the site styles from fonts to colors to animation to spacing. So that was a full review of the platform. I hope you find the video useful. Leave us a comment in the comment box down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel to support us.